friends, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have 7 plus 1 over x bracket whole power 4 minus 5 plus 1 over x bracket whole power 4, and this is equals to 240. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x where x belongs to real number. In this question we will apply substitution, and here if we substitute 5 plus 1 over x, this is equals to m. Now if we add both sides 2, then 7 plus 1 over x, this is equals to m plus 2. Now the given equation 7 plus x is replaced by m plus 2. So here m plus 2 bracket power 4 minus, and 5 plus 1 over x is replaced by m, then here m power 4, and this is equals to 240. In left hand side we have m plus 2 bracket power 4 minus m power 4, and this is equals to 240. We know that the algebraic identity x plus y bracket whole power 4, this is equals to x power 4 plus 4 times x power 3 times y plus 6 times x square y square plus 4xy cube plus y power 4. If we apply this rule here, then m plus 2 bracket whole power 4 is same as m power 4 plus 4 times m power 3, and y is 2 plus 6 times m power 2 times 2 power 2 plus 4 times m times 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4 and minus m power 4, this is equals to 240. Here this is m power 4 is positive and this m power 4 is negative, so this and this are cancelled out. 2 times 4 is 8 m power 3 plus 2 square is 4, 4 times 6 is 24 m square plus 2 power 3 is 8, 8 times 4 is 32 m plus 2 square is 16, and this 240 if we take left hand side, then this is minus 240 and this is equals to 0. Here 8 m power 3 plus 24 m square plus 32 m, 16 minus 240, this is same as 224, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully. In left hand side if we take common 8, then 8 m power 3 divided by 8, then here m power 3 plus 24 m square divided by 8, then here 3 m square plus 32 m divided by 8, then here 4 m minus, and 224 divided by 8, then you will get 28, and this is equals to 0. Now divide both side 8. Here in left hand side divide by 8, and in right hand side is also divided by 8. This 8 and this 8 is cancelled out. In left hand side we have m power 3 plus 3m square plus 4m minus 28 plus 4m minus 28, and this is equals to 0. Here we have a cubic equation, so first we will find 1 0 of this cubic equation. Here if we substitute m is equals to 2, then 2 power 3 plus 3 times m is replaced by 2 bracket power 2 plus 4, m is replaced by 2 and here minus 28. 2 power 3 is 8 plus 2 power 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 4 times 2 is 8 minus 28. And 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28 minus 28. And this is equals to 0. It means m is equals to 2. M is equals to 2 is a solution. If m is equals to 2 is a solution of this cubic equation, then you can say m minus 2 is a factor of this cubic equation. Now, this cubic equation m cube plus 3m square plus 4m minus 28 divided by m minus 2. Then here m square multiplied by m cube, m square multiplied by minus 2 m square. Here minus and here plus. This expression is cancelled out because this m cube is positive and this m cube is negative. 3m square plus 2m square is 5m square plus 4m minus 28. Now here 5m and 5m is multiplied by m. Then here 5m square. 5m is multiplied by minus 2. Then here minus 10m. Here minus and here plus. This is positive and this is negative. So this is cancelled out. 4m plus 10m is 14m minus 28. Here if we take 14 and 14 is multiplied by m, then here 14m and 14 is multiplied by minus 2, then here minus 28. Then here minus and here plus. This and this expression is cancelled out. So here we get 0. Now factor of this cubic equation is m minus 2 is multiplied by m minus 2 is multiplied by m square plus 5m plus 14. M square plus 5m plus 14 and this is equals to 0. In left hand side, if we apply this rule, if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. This expression is a and this expression is b. If we apply this rule here, then you can say m minus 2, this is equals to 0, or m square plus 5m plus 14, this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to 2. But look carefully, here we have a quadratic equation and here we will talk about only real solutions. So first we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation. Here value of a is equals to 1 and value of b is equals to 5 and value of c is equals to 14, and discriminant of this quadratic is b square minus 4ac. Value of b is 5 square minus 4 and value of a is 1 and value of c is 14. Then 5 square is 25 minus 4 times 14 is 56. This number is negative. It means d is less than 0. Here no real roots. No real roots. So this case is rejected. Here value of m is equals to 2. M is equals to 2. And we know that m is 5 plus 1 over x. So this m is replaced by 5 plus 1 over x and this is equals to 2. Now 1 over x, this is equals to 2 and this plus 5, if we take right hand side, then this is minus 5. 1 over x, this is equals to minus 3. Now if we take reciprocal both sides, then value of x is equals to minus 1 over 3. Here we have value of x is equals to minus 1 over 3. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.